Hello, and here's my video on how to fit the Shimano 105 gear shifter and brake lever. This is the 5600 model, but I think they'll pretty much the same. So if you look here, it's your shifter, and then if you look carefully on the opposite side to where the gear comes out, or brake, not sure. Then if you look closely here, can't tell if you can see on the camera or not, there's a little groove along there. And then you're going to get a 5mm Allen key or hex key, and you're going to put it in that little slit, because if you peel back the housing, or I can't remember what it's called, you can see there, that's where you're going to put in the Allen key. So go to your bike, make sure this is kind of loose, and put it on here. Might help if you peel back the stuff. Housing. You can put it on. Put it on to wherever you want. Not sure how of it. And then some of the picture. That's it. So have it to where you want, and then put the 5mm Allen key in. Just gonna tighten it up. Put it back. Almost tight enough. Tighten up. And there you go. It's on, kind of a bit wonky. That's how to fit a Shimano 105 shifter. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped. Goodbye.